The SinkSense Alder 27.5-inch by 14-inch kitchen sink bottom grid in matte black is designed to provide a high level of protection and style for your kitchen workspace. Specifically engineered to fit perfectly within compatible basins, this durable accessory helps prevent scratches and dents caused by heavy cookware or sharp utensils. By elevating dishes off the surface, the Sinkology Alder 28-inch kitchen sink grid ensures better drainage and airflow, keeping your sink area cleaner and more hygienic during daily use. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and finished with a sleek matte black coating, this grid offers a modern aesthetic that complements contemporary kitchen designs. The protective rubber feet and side bumpers are strategically placed to ensure the Sinkology Alder 28-inch kitchen sink grid remains stable while shielding the sink finish from direct contact. This thoughtful design not only preserves the longevity of your investment but also reduces the noise of clanging pots and pans during meal cleanup. Maintaining this kitchen essential is simple due to its rust-resistant properties and smooth surface. Whether you are rinsing vegetables or drying delicate glassware, the Sinkology Alder 28-inch kitchen sink grid provides a reliable and sturdy platform for all your culinary tasks. Its precise dimensions and professional finish make it an ideal upgrade for homeowners seeking a blend of functional utility and sophisticated visual appeal in their primary food preparation area. Pros: fits the sink perfectly, looks great, accurate product description. Cons: poor quality and fit, too small for specific sink, coating is peeling off, material is rusting. Stains sink with rust, not worth the cost. Features: SinkSense brand name, Alder model series, measures 27.5 inches long, measures 14 inches wide. Protective kitchen sink grid, matte black finish, durable stainless steel construction, protects sink from scratches. Elevates dishes for drainage. The SinkSense Alder 27.5-inch by 14-inch kitchen sink bottom grid in matte black is designed to provide a high level of protection and style for your kitchen workspace. Specifically engineered to fit perfectly within compatible basins, this durable accessory helps prevent scratches and dents caused by heavy cookware or sharp utensils. By elevating dishes off the surface, the Sinkology Alder 28-inch kitchen sink grid ensures better drainage and airflow, keeping your sink area cleaner and more hygienic during daily use. The SinkSense Alder bottom grid earns praise for its accurate product description and sleek matte black appearance that initially fits some sinks perfectly. Yet these benefits are heavily overshadowed by significant durability and quality issues. While it looks great at first, many users report the coating peeling off and the underlying material rusting quickly, which leads to unsightly stains on the sink itself. Given that it may not fit all specified models correctly and the material degrades so rapidly, the grid is often described as a poor value that is not worth the cost.